Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
You use the brush panel to select preset brushes and to create your own custom brushes. You can access the brush panel by selecting Window and then Brush from the menu bar, and that of course will toggle that off as well. If you're using version CS5, when you have any of the painting tools selected, you can also click the brush panel toggle button up in the options bar. That will do the same thing. To view the brush options that you can set, you just click on a brush in the list of preset brushes to view its options in the brush panel. If you don't see the preset brushes when you enter this panel, you can click the Brush Presets button at the left, right here, and that will display the panel for you. Note that there are many different buttons that we can click at the left side of the brush panel that allow us to change the selected brush settings at the right. We're going to look at those in more detail in the upcoming lessons. If you wish to view your options when using the Brush Presets panel, you can click the small downward pointing arrow, and it's right pointing in version CS and earlier, at the right end of the Brush Presets panel tab here. Give that a click. This will display the menu of options that you have for working with your brushes. You can change how the brushes display within the brush panel, and you can also load or select additional preset brush libraries by selecting choices from this pop-up menu. To load a set of brushes into the brush panel, click on the Options button, as I've done, to reveal the drop-down menu of choices. You can then select the Load Brushes command from the menu to invoke the Load dialog box. So we'll go to Load Brushes, and you'll see the Load dialog box come up. And it's here where you can select the set of brushes to load, and then click the Load button to load them. Now in this case, we are using TeachUComp Incorporated's Photoshop Brush Bonanza, which has several different brush sets that you can add to the brush sets that already come with the Photoshop application. And so we've already used the look-in drop-down to select the location of those brush sets. You would then just pick one and select Load, and it will load those brushes right into Photoshop for you. So if we scroll down, we'll see all of our new brushes that we just loaded in there. Now, Photoshop will prompt you to either click OK to replace the current brush set or to append the library of brushes into the currently displayed list. You can do either one. Now, if you wish to return to the default set of brushes, you can select the Reset Brushes command right here, and it will prompt you, do you wish to revert back to the default brushes? Just click OK, and that's exactly what will happen.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.